Well, hello there folks, David, your friendly hairy Scotsman here once again. Well, today I'm going to do a version, it's a cheats version of some tacos. So I have some little mini tortillas, I've got some onion, some lettuce, sweet chili chicken, I've got some hot salsa, we got Frank's, and when I was in Burger King the other day they gave me some extra sweet chili sauce. So what I'm going to do is I'll give the pan a wee heat, that can go over there. So let's spark the pan up, just get a little bit of heat under it to get it moving. So I'm going to get my chicken stuff. What I'll do, I'll put you down onto the cutting board like that, turn that like that so I can actually see what I'm doing as well. Let's have a look there, bring in a wee bit. Right, so we'll open this up. That smells quite nice. Stick it on there, like that. Now I'm going to sort of just break it up a bit, so it's more shredded than cut, like this. Just takes a few seconds to do this. It's quite cheap as well. This chicken was under £1. Well, I think it was 80 odd pence or something. A couple of tortillas was next to nothing. A little bit of cold slaw, some onion. I'll probably do these for under £1, or just under £1 or something like that. There we go. That's got that ready. Let's get a cloth to get my fingers a wee clean. Okay. A bit more heat under there, get the oil moving. Right, so that's that ready. I'm going to throw that into this tub again. Like this. That's now ready to go. Get a bit of lettuce. Just fall out of the bag. That's a wee bit on the brown side, so just taking the edge off that, like so. And I'll get rid of that into the veg bucket. That can go there, because it was a wee bit on the brown side. And I'll take a strip like that. That should be enough for a couple of them, I think. And then just shred it a bit more, and then this way, put that together. That's quite nice like that. Clean the knife, like so. Now, these onions, just going to take a few of them, like this, just give them a wee bit more of chop up. Yeah. I don't have the program that pre-chops everything for me yet. I'm still doing it all manually, so like that. And then that is everything pretty much ready to go. So what I'll do, take that out a bit more. Put that over there. We'll come over to the pan. We've got a wee bit more warmth here. And I'll throw these onions in, give them a bit of colour. Okay. Squishy round. And these are almost ready. Like this. Take them off just now. Put them over here. We'll pop that back there. And throw the chicken straight in. Give that a quick bit of a warm through. And open up with sweet chilli sauce. And scrape off there, we're going to waste any. There's not a lot in there. Ow! I banged my head on the cooker hood. Brush it. Ooh, you should smell this warming up. That's that ready. Over there. Just literally this one here. As you see, I'm getting a wee bit of carding on it there just to get some extra flavour. Yeah. This is already pre-cooked, so that's only going to take a few seconds just to warm through there. I'll open up the wraps. Pour these out. That's the heat really trying to take onto these now. I'm not one of these posh chefs that flick it all about. Knowing my luck, it would go all over the place. Like so. That's ready. I'm just going to pour that into that wee tub again. Like so. actually what I'm going to do is put that over there. Get a wee bit more oil in here a second. Like that. A wee bit of heat on it. There. Just give that a wee sugar round like so. And we'll drop a tortilla in it. Just get some oomph onto it there. Grab a plate out while I remember. There. This over. Oh, you can see all the colour coming out onto that already. Doesn't that look good? Colour up, there we go. And the puff, I'll drain that off a wee bit. Swap it over for that one. Just going to put the fan on a minute because I don't want the alarms to go off again, even though we've got the new ones. Like this. Ooh, that's looking so good. Let's get a wee bit of colour on this. There. Ooh, it's all gone puffy. Right, I'm going to put that off. Pop that onto the plate, and I'm going to move you again. Let's go wide, it's still wide, so that can come in here. Like this. Now that's them. So what I'm going to do is a little drop of the onions first. But now I don't have a tortilla thing at the moment, but I may be getting one soon. Like this. Dropping the onion in, which I won't be wasting. We'll scrape up what's left up here. Splash from there. A bit more up on this end. Like that. Now get in. Then we've got some of the chicken. Sweet chili chicken. Can rest in there. I'll try and scrape it out of here into this one. That looks absolutely amazing. Sitting like that. Just put a little splash of Frank's on it. Just to give it a wee boost there. And a little drop salsa. Just blot that down the middle like so. And then down on this one. Actually, I'll tell you something, with the amount of chicken in this, I could have probably made another couple. That's that. Wee splash of lettuce, like so. Off this side for this one, like this. bit in there. I don't think I'm going to bother with the other stuff that I've got there, but that just looks like it's ready to eat to me. So I'm going to set up a wee thumbnail. Here we go. That looks so good. Now, I just have to try it. There we go. My version of a taco. It's soft shell taco, but it's still a taco. Oh wow. Oh, thanks. Oh, that is good. I've got a taste of the slightly fried onions, the chicken, the sweet chilli, there's some salsa there, a bit of iceberg lettuce, a bit of Frank's hot sauce. That is lovely. And that, believe it or not, is my first ever taco. Soft or hard shell, I haven't had a hard shell one. But that is so good. And that is so sticky. Right, so I'm going to go and finish these off. Nice short one again today. Got a bit of lettuce stuck in my tooth there. Guess what I'm going to wash it down with? Apple juice and lemonade. That is so tasty. Definitely going to be doing a lot more of these. I might actually try it with raw chicken and cooking it up myself with sauces and spices in it. But for a simple thing, that is so easy. And that's my phone going off. But I'm busy. So, I will hopefully talk to you all later. If you haven't already subscribed, I would greatly appreciate you hitting that red button and hitting the bell. That would be absolutely good of you. It'll also let you know when I'm putting more of these up. And I've had a nice wee run of subs coming on with my Outlander video that I did, which was, it's just taken off. It's brilliant. If you like what I do, I'd appreciate you hitting the like button as well. You don't have to, but it's free, so might as well. And I will hopefully talk to you all very, very soon. Take care, stay safe, see ya.